Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. Today we're diving into a treatment that promises to rescue damaged hair fast. The Wella Professional's Ultimate Repair Miracle Hair Rescue. It's a luxury leave-in treatment designed to instantly and lastingly repair and protect all hair types in just 90 seconds. No fluff, just facts. It's a liquid formula, about 6.2 fluid ounces, with an opulent fruity floral scent. Now, let's see how it actually performs beyond the marketing. So here's the lowdown. This treatment claims to intensely strengthen and smooth hair, delivering visible transformation after just one use, and the effects should last up to 4 washes. But that's when used alongside the Ultimate Repair shampoo and conditioner. The formula is designed for all hair types, which is great if you want a versatile product that doesn't discriminate between curly, straight, fine, or thick hair. The scent is a subtle but sophisticated fruity floral with some fresh green notes, so it feels quite luxurious without being overpowering. In my routine, I used it as instructed, applying to towel-dried hair after shampooing and conditioning. What stood out immediately was the lightweight texture. It's a liquid rather than a creamy leave-in, so it didn't weigh my hair down or leave any sticky residue. The application felt smooth and easy, spreading evenly without needing a ton of product. I tested it on several occasions, including before heat styling and on air-dried days, to see how it held up. It definitely softened my strands, making them noticeably smoother and more manageable after blow-drying. The shine was enhanced too, but it wasn't an artificial gloss, more like a healthy, natural sheen. That said, I didn't find the repair effects to be miracle level after one use. Hair improvement was subtle, which I expected, but I really noticed a difference after consistent use along with the matching shampoo and conditioner, just as Wella suggests. For hair that's been through serious damage, say chemical treatments or heat overuse, this treatment offers a nice boost, but I wouldn't rely on it alone for complete restoration. It's more like a potent aid in an ongoing care routine. Let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, the formula's lightness makes it great for fine to medium hair without causing buildup. The scent is elegant, adding to that premium experience, and the ease of use means it's practical for busy mornings. The packaging is sturdy, with a functional nozzle that avoids waste, which is always a bonus. On the flip side, the product's price is on the higher end for a leave-in treatment. Also, if you're hoping for dramatic repair from a single use, this might not meet those expectations. It shines most when integrated into a full hair care regimen. Is it good value for money? If you're someone who regularly invests in quality hair care and already uses the Ultimate Repair shampoo and conditioner, then yes, it complements well and justifies the cost. The ingredients focus on strengthening proteins and smoothing agents, which align with industry standards for repairing treatments. However, if you're looking for a budget-friendly fix or a standalone miracle product, there are more affordable alternatives with decent results. Though they may not have the same luxe fragrance or the seamless integration into a pro line like Wella's. Compared to other luxury leave-ins I've tried, think brands like Olaplex or Redken's treatments, Wella's Ultimate Repair stands out for its fast absorption and the fact it doesn't leave hair feeling coated. It's not as intensive as Olaplex's Bond Builders, but it's easier to use daily without that heavy product in my hair feeling. So if your hair is moderately damaged and you want a quick, pleasant-smelling fix, this one fits nicely. The packaging feels premium, durable, and travel-friendly, which matters if you're always on the go. The product has a decent shelf life, and since it's a liquid, it spreads easily but does need to be kept upright to avoid spills. I haven't had direct contact with Wella's customer support, but the brand is well known for professional reliability and solid after-sales service, especially through Salon channels. So if you ever do run into questions or issues, you can expect prompt and knowledgeable help. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. To wrap it up, Wella Professional's Ultimate Repair Miracle Hair Rescue is a well-formulated, lightweight leave-in treatment that offers subtle but lasting improvements, especially when paired with its sister shampoo and conditioner. It's perfect for anyone wanting a manageable, soft, and smooth finish with a touch of luxury in scent and feel. If your hair is severely damaged and you need heavy-duty repair, you might want to look for something more intensive. But for everyday maintenance and moderate damage, it does the job well. You'll find the link to purchase this product down in the description or comments. If you've tried it already, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and share your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.